Hi everyone, this is Marjorie. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, will you please subscribe and ring the little bell and give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think of this video. If you're here, you're probably watching it because I do videos on different topics. This one will be on my Amazon selling journey, becoming an Amazon seller. So, the update is I got my address verified by mail. They sent me a giant postcard, UPS, to make sure that I actually live where I said I do. And I entered the code and boom, my address was verified. The second is I did a video chat and that was scheduled and I had to wait a couple days. And they basically had me hold up my driver's license and next to my face, and they had me turn it several ways and turn it over and bend it to show that it was a card, I guess. And it was kind of funny. I was a little nervous and stressed out, thinking, it's like taking a test or something or going to the dentist. You can't wait until it's over, and when you get there, you go, this isn't as bad as I anticipated it was going to be. It was very easy. And the third was I waited an hour or two and got the email that said, you've been approved. So now the fun begins. I downloaded my Amazon Sellers app onto my phone, and now I have to set up Quickbooks, and it's online. The fun thing is that you can just take a picture of the receipt, and boom, it goes to Quickbooks and logs into the right spot. And you can take, it just keeps track of everything. There's apps for everything these days, and I'm kind of finding it fun. It's a little challenging sometimes. But anyway, so now I have all of my things like my thermal printer, my postage scale, my everything. I've spent several $100s on things that I'm going to be using to package up shipments after I scan them in and process them and tag them and have UPS come pick them up and send them off to the Amazon warehouse. And of course the money I've spent on Nikki's class, which is invaluable because every time I get nervous about something or can't remember, I don't have to scroll through a million YouTube videos that I've watched, which I have watched a million, and hers were the best. Not really a million, but a lot. And hers were the best, and that's why I decided to take her class. I don't get anything for mentioning this. I just thought her class was the most affordable, and she is the most, she's a straight shooter. She doesn't sit around and chat. You can watch her other videos if you want to hear about her fun life, because she's adorable. But when she's dealing with business, she gets right to the point, and it's what I want. I want to be able to find things. I don't want to watch a big, long-winded video, which there are a lot out there where people are just, joking around and chatting, and that's fine. That's their YouTube channel. They can do what they want to do. But it was worth it to me to buy Nikki's class. I would do it over again in a heartbeat. I recommend it to anybody. Nikki Kirk. And so her class was $349, and I spent a couple $100s on let's see, I think I spent $5 actually, because I wanted to get everything to make it simple to start out with. And then I have the money that I have in my bank account that I'm going to be investing in inventory. So now the fun starts. I'm going to go out and invest in inventory. And Nikki cautioned us in her class that it took her, she scanned things for a month before she figured out what was going to be a really good moneymaker. So I've got to download a couple of other apps and sign up for them. Prime, basically, the whole point of becoming an Amazon seller is that they handle everything for you, and you don't have to deal with expedited shipping. You don't have to deal with customer complaints, although you do have to remove your product, and of course Amazon will refund the money to people if they do complain, because Amazon is customer centric. Anyway, this is not a teaching class. I'm just taking you along on my journey, and I thought I'd let you know where I'm at. I am an approved Amazon reseller now, so yay! I'm excited. Anyway, if you're new here, and this is interesting to you, subscribe, ring the little bell, leave me your comment, give it a thumbs up. Talk to you next time about my journey on Amazon. Bye now.